Brinjal is the king of vegetables. The health of all these plants are wonderful, although they are in very small containers. Huge fruits are appearing. In this video, we are going to watch the beautiful tips to grow very nice brinjal plants at home. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. Brinjal is one of the most versatile vegetables loved by many people across the world. Different varieties are available everywhere and each variety is unique in its own way. Eggplant or brinjal is a very low calorie vegetable and has healthy nutrition profile. Just take a look at these plants. The growth would have been more better if they are planted in large container. Let's watch the process step by step to grow beautiful eggplant. Do not miss any step so that you can get clear idea about the process. Eggplant grow best in compost-rich fertilizer. We will take 60% garden soil and 40% compost. Then we have to mix it well. This plant prefers slightly acidic soil. Feeding eggplants during their growing and fruiting stages improves the overall health of the plant. Healthy plants produce larger fruit in larger quantities. Plants use energy from the sun and nutrients from the soil for growth and food production. Before applying the fertilizer, we will dig the soil like this around the plant. Eggplants are considered heavy feeders. A balanced fertilizer is often recommended for eggplant. 10-10-10 NPK plant food is best for this plant. Apply fertilizer this way to the soil. Do not apply very close to the stem. Move the soil like this so that the fertilizer can reach to the roots very easily. We have to fertilize the plants every 2 weeks during growing season. Plants use nitrogen for green growth. Phosphorus helps in flower, fruit and seed production. Potassium contributes to stem strength, disease resistance and growth. After fertilize the plant, we have to apply water. It helps the roots to absorb the nutrients very easily. When plant will grow well, we will cut the top of the stem. This process encourages more branches to grow. Just by finger or a knife, cut this portion like this. More branches develop more flower buds. Just take a look here, lower branches are not growing properly. Now all these branches will start growing nicely. Some insects disturb this plant very much. We have to always check the plant. An insect is there inside the leaf of the plant. If you have only few plants, then you can kill these insects manually. Just search the insect and kill it. Some stem borer can attack this plant. Look at this stem, there are so many holes made by the stem borer. If it is found the insects are attacking very much, the plants should be sprayed with pesticides or insecticides. Now I am going to spray this plant with this insecticide. When fruits will appear, the insects can attack the fruits also. They try to enter into the fruits. I am using this pesticide 10 ml in 1 liter water. Now the plants are very fresh, there are no insects. Fruits are appearing gradually. Very fresh. When it comes to watering eggplants in container gardens, keep the potting soil constantly moist but not soggy. There are so many fruits are growing in this plant. Brinjal plants grow well in full sun location. I repeat the tips very first once again. Mix compost with garden soil to prepare the potting mix. Apply 10-10-10 fertilizer twice a month. When plant is growing, prune the plant to encourage growing branches. The plants should be sprayed with the pesticides or insecticides if any disease is noticed. Water your plant to keep the potting soil constantly moist but not soggy. Grow your plant in full sun location. Try to use large container for better growth. Healthy plants produce large fruit in greater quantities. I hope this video will help you to grow beautiful brinjal plants. If you like this video, do share the video, and if you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss a video. Please let me know down below in the comment section what are the other plants on which I should make a video for you.